In education news, Cal State Bakersfield making the list for the best colleges for your money in the country. The list was compiled by Time's Money section, and it ranks CSUB as the 213th best school out of over 700 schools. Now, according to the website, they looked at tuition, alumni earnings, and graduation rates. The estimated full price to be a student at CSUB is a little over $26,000. Fresno State was ranked number 66, Princeton ranked as the best college. The fall semester for CSUB will get underway on Monday, August 27th.